Poppy, who is always in a hurry. Poppy, the rabbit, heard that Nino, the young tiger, loved spicy food. I will make spicy grilled fish as a special birthday gift for him, thought Poppy. She cooked in a rush without checking more about Nino. The gift was beautifully wrapped and proudly handed to Nino. However, when Nino tasted the fish, he screamed in pain. His body was covered in itchy red spots, and he felt hot, itchy, and sore. It turned out Nino was allergic to spicy food. Nino's mom quickly gave him medicine to ease his pain. All the guests were shocked, and Poppy felt very guilty. The next day, Poppy's mom asked her to clean the house. But, in her usual hurry, she swept carelessly. The dust wasn't cleaned properly but spread all over the house. When her mom came to check, she shook her head. Poppy, if you're not serious, the house will just get messy, said her mom. Poppy just chuckled and didn't feel sorry. Hoodie invited Poppy to help harvest strawberries in his garden. Please pick only the ripe ones, said Hoodie carefully. But Poppy, as usual, rushed through the task. She picked all the fruits, even the unripe ones, and pulled the branches until they broke. When Hoodie saw the damaged garden, he sighed deeply. Poppy, if you're not careful, this garden won't bear fruit anymore, he said sadly. Poppy felt ashamed but didn't know what to say. Poppy sat quietly, thinking about all the mistakes she had made because of her hasty behavior. Toto came over and said, Poppy, sometimes we need to slow down so we don't hurt ourselves or others. This time, Poppy listened seriously. I just wanted to help, but I ended up causing problems, said Poppy sadly. Toto smiled and replied, helping is good, but doing it carefully will be much more helpful. From that day on, Poppy tried not to be in a hurry anymore. She started working more carefully, like helping Hoodie harvest strawberries without damaging the branches. When Nino saw Poppy's change, he said, I'm proud of you, Poppy. Now you're more calm and thorough. Poppy smiled happily at the compliment. She realized that being patient and careful made everything better. Moral of the story is, being in a hurry can lead to mistakes and harm. Learn to be patient and careful so you can help others better.
Like and subscribe to my channel.